Hello everyone. Now we will solve one more question that is again based on the dynamic part. Now the question says that a car travels from one station to another along a straight road. First half of the distance is covered with velocity 60 km per hour and other half is covered by velocity of 90 km per hour. Determine the average speed of the motor. Now in this question, first of all, in every question in dynamic part you have to identify the type of motion. Now here it is clearly mentioned that car travels one station to another along a straight line. So this is what rectilinear motion. So the rectilinear motion equation will be applicable on this. Now as per the question, we have to find out, let's say I'm taking this A point, it is the start of the car and it has to reach the point B. Now half of the distance, let's say this distance I can say half, and it is covered by the 60 km per hour speed and other half is traveled by 90 km per hour speed. Now we have to find out the average distance. So both are same distances, half, right? Now let's see, let the total distance s, let's say I'm taking this complete distance, that is s, is traveled by car in time. Now what is the time here? If I say this distance, it will take separate time because speed is separate. This distance it will take separate time, so I can say the total time that will be equal to t1 plus t2. Now what is t1, t2? T1 is the time taken for this distance, t2 is the time taken for this distance. So I can say the total time t. Now we know that what is time? Distance upon velocity. If you know that, distance travel, that is equal to speed into time. So if I have to say time is equal to distance upon velocity, so I can say total time, first s by 2, this complete was s and this is s by 2, this is s by 2. So s by 2 for first divided by velocity 1 in 60 km per hour plus s by 2 second one divided by velocity 2 90 km per hour. Now when I fill the values, I will get s by 2 upon 60 plus s by 2 upon 90. Now we can make it easy. How? Let's say after that I can say this is s 16 to 22, that is 120 plus s, that is 180, right? So this is I'm getting, so this is the total time. Now I can say average velocity. So average velocity, we know that is what, distance upon total distance upon total time. So what is the total distance? That is s. So I can say it is s upon this time. I can make it more easy if I take in this way. So this is 120 into 180 and it will go on that side, that is 180 s plus 120 s, and if I take s common, I can say 180 plus 120, I can say 300 divided by 120 into 180, just to make it simple. So I can take the value here because this is the total time, so it will be what, s into 180 plus 120, that is 300 divided by 120, 180 into 120. So SS cancel. Now I can say that if I multiply, this is coming equal to 21600 divided by 300. So when I sort out, so average velocity, that is coming equals to 72 km per hour. So in this way we can solve the question.